Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question how the kefir or kefir, or however you want to call that, the water kefir is reacting on the throat or esophagus, especially when people are suffering from Gerd or LPR, silent reflux, all these things. A lot of people are worried about that the kefir is too acid, has too much acid in it, and then it's going to produce more pain for the people who are suffering already. So I had many discussions about that, how it is. So today I'm going to compare this with this bottle here. It has like filtered water, or it's like a normal filtered bottle water, and it contains 10 milliliters of apple cider vinegar, which I recommend. That this is my preferred amount, which I'm taking almost every day for my LPR, and it works really good. I mean, it's not the only thing I take, but I think it's doing a great job. A lot of people are doing a similar thing. So even though it has some acidity, it's not hurting me too much. It has actually still some benefit. And so I wanted to test this today and see what the numbers are showing. I give it a little bit of a shake here, and I'm pouring some into here, this side, which I'm going to test with this pH meter. And here I have freshly brewed water kefir, or kefir water. This has been sitting for 3 days on my desk. I mean, this is pretty much the maximum which I'm doing. I'm definitely not doing more than 3 days. Usually I'm doing 2 days, then it has a little bit more sugar, it has less acidity, but I was thinking about I'm going to the maximum, which is 3 days, and now I'm comparing this here. So what are the numbers here? Of course, it's pretty low. I mean, it's far below of average normal standard water, and it looks like it's around pH 4 or so. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty stable in the higher 3, yeah, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. So let's see what's going on this side here. And what do the numbers show? The numbers, I would definitely say the numbers are lower, not much lower, but they are definitely lower. I mean, we have to consider that from, let's say, pH 4 to pH 3, it's 10 times more acidic. It's not just like a little bit, it's 10 times more. So here we are more like on a 3.5, I would say. I mean, the numbers are jumping up and down. I mean, it's not a newest device anymore, but there's definitely a difference. And we have to be careful with the kefir, definitely a little bit. I didn't have the impression that it hurts me too much, but every now and then I had the impression that it is affecting my reflux a little bit, and the numbers are definitely proving that. It's yeah, rather 3.5 or sometimes below, and here we are rather a little bit on a higher level. So most of the time it's more showing like a 3.789 or something like that. So yeah, this is a little bit of a difference. So the people who are claiming that the kefir water or water kefir is a little bit more aggressive, and maybe some people should avoid that, or just go with the 2-day brewing time instead of 3-day. I mean, I wanted to show you the maximum 3 days. I wasn't expecting a lower value than with the apple cider vinegar, but looks like it is. So it can definitely be a point here, and you have to be careful. But I think if you go with a 2-day brewing time, you shouldn't have any problem. But definitely, yeah, 3 days could be critical. I mean, I have to tell you, we are in Florida. Temperature inside is around 76 degrees Fahrenheit, and 3 days brewing time is definitely at the maximum which I would suggest. There's not much sugar in here, so normally I'm going with this temperature, I'm going with a 2-day brewing time, and then I think they will probably have around same acidity. So I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions, whatever you have, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.